Hello and welcome. In the last video, we saw how we could set up PSQL so we can use PostgreSQL commands in our terminal. If you missed out on that video, be sure to check it out in the link below. In this video, we are going to be creating our very first database in Postgres. So without any delay, let's get started. I know everyone is excited. So to create our first database, first we need to spin up our PostgreSQL server. And to start that, I hope you remember the command. We need to use the command psql-u Postgres. The U should be in capital letters, don't forget. So you use the command psql-u Postgres and then you hit enter. So it now asks for your password. So you need to just enter the password which you set up when creating your Postgres, when setting up your Postgres during installation, and then you hit enter. And there you will see now that the Postgres server has started running. Now that the server is running, you will see that by default we are in the Postgres database. This Postgres database is the default database which is created already for us. So by default, when you start up your terminal, you will find yourself in the Postgres database. To see the list of available databases, you use the command /l. You use the command /l to see the list of databases. So when you type /l, you hit enter, and there you will see the list of databases. In my case, it shows that I have up to 5 databases. But since you're very new and you likely haven't created any database yet, you're only going to have 3 databases: Postgres, Template 0, and Template 1. So now, let me walk you through the process of creating your own database. So, to create your first database, you use the command create database. Then you give the name of your database. In this case, the name will be my first database, or you can just keep it short, my first DB. We know DB stands for database, and you end it with a semicolon. The reason why I named this database this way is because that is the default naming convention for Postgres. Postgres uses the snake case naming convention. So by default, in a name, every word is separated by an underscore. So you have create database, my first DB, and then you hit enter. Now you see the prompt here. It says create database, which means that it is a success. You have created your first database. Congratulations. Now let's check if that database is going to appear among our list of databases. And to check that, you use the same command we used before, /l, and you hit enter. And there you will see that we now have my first DB appearing here in the list of our databases. So congratulations, you just created your first database in Postgres. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can create a table in our database and insert data into that table. So if you are excited, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. Thank you very much for watching.